A very good morning to Dr. Rohafiz and my fellow classmates. Today we are going to present our research project entitled The Willingness to Use Green Airline Among Malaysians. My name is Tamuihi. My metric number is 253398.
My name is Teo Fei Jing and my metric number is 253341.
I will start with introduction. Eco-friendly airline, also known as green airline, can be defined as airline that practice and promote sustainable practice in operation to reduce carbon footprint. For example, improving fuel efficiency with alternative fuels.
For my part, I will go into explain the research methodology and the data analysis and result. The study for the target populations in our research, the study analysis units in the Malaysian citizens, and we collect the primary data through the questionnaire from the 100 residents in the Malaysia. The questionnaire was generated by using the Google form where it was saved in the form of the hyperlink, and we also use the convenience sampling as our sampling technique. We also adapted a structured responses format by using the nominal scale and the interval scale to collect the responses. The nominal scale is on the question they ask about the demographic information. Meanwhile, the interval scale is used for the question they ask on the scale of 1 to 5, such as this table. And the findings for this study are starting with a demographic profile such as the gender, age, race, marital status, monthly income, knowledge about the green airline, and the experience of using a green airline. Yes. To test the variability of the item in variables such as the willingness to use the pro-environmental attitude and environmental consciousness and prices, the test was performed using the confront alpha on all of the accessory atoms. From this table, we can see that the three variables such as the willingness to use pro-environmental attitude, environmental consciousness are considered as good in the reliability and the accuracy. This is because the confront alpha value of these three variables in the range of 0.7 to 0.9. Besides, pricing also achieved an excellence value at 0.908, where the value is more than 0.9. Next, Pearson's correlation analysis. Correlation is a bivariate analysis that measures the strength or the associations between the two variables and the directions of the relationship. In this study, the correlation analysis indicates that pro-environmental attitude and the pricing has moderate relationship with the willingness to use the green airlines among the Malaysians. This is because the correlation values of pro-environmental attitude and the prices are in the range of 0.3 to 0.49. For example, it means that the higher or the pricing of the green airline service in generally will only moderate affect the willingness of the Malaysians to use the green airline. And however, environmental consciousness has a high relationship with the willingness to use the green airline among the Malaysia. This is because the correlation value is 0.525. It means that if the Malaysians have higher environmental consciousness toward the green airline, they are generally more willingness to use the green airline. Next. Multiple regressions. In this study, we use the multiple linear regression analysis to recognize the performance of the independent variables such as the pro-environmental attitude, environmental consciousness, and the pricing toward the readiness to use the green airline. The regression test has presented an inference with R squared of 0.350. Hence, it is the approximately 35% variations of the willingness to use the green airline would caused by the pro-environmental attitude, environmental consciousness, and the pricing.
This study is significant to three parties. The first one will be Green Airline Company. This survey will increase the popularity of green airline, and also it will act as a market study for airline company. This will increase green airline to better concentrate on the most important factor to enhance willingness to use green airline among Malaysians. The second party will be passenger. Airline make improvement on the factor related, and this will definitely increase service quality. The third party will be environment. The effort taken by the green airline will surely mitigate the carbon emission and reduce pollution. In conclusion, there's a significant relationship between pro-environmental attitude, environmental consciousness, and pricing toward willingness to use green airline. Among these three, environmental consciousness and pricing impact the most on willingness of Malaysians to use green airline. That's all from us. Thank you.